so smart! Super! To fix it, we need to take apart the bulldozer! Keep going! Perfect! What do we fix? The track is broken! Uh-oh! Trash! Pick up all the items with the pliers! Super duper! Awesome! Install the parts in the matching silhouette. You'll solve the problem! There's something wrong with the wires! Remove the screws to open the cover plate. Super! Wonderful! That's a lot of dust. Let's vacuum it up. That's it! Plug the wire into the right place. Green. Blue. That's it! All done! Now help to assemble Bulldozer! I appreciate your help. You can upgrade the vehicle. It's time to take the car to the construction site. Use the button to smash obstacles. Congratulations! I'm impressed! Here is your prize!